Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Bumpy Dating app. All right, let's begin. First, download and install the Bumpy Dating app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open it and choose how you want to sign in, either with Google, email, or another account option. You might see a prompt for a paid subscription, but you can skip it by tapping the X at the top and continue using the free version. Next, you can start swiping through profiles. Swipe right if you're interested or left to pass. When two users like each other, you'll get a match and can start chatting. You can send a hello message to begin a conversation. At the bottom, you'll find tabs for Profile Map, People, and Chats. The Profile tab lets you edit your bio, upload photos, or upgrade to Premium for extra features like boosts and super likes. In Settings, you can turn on incognito mode, manage your visibility, or verify your account. So that's basically how you can use the Bumpy Dating app. That's it for this video. Thanks.